How to connect CJ Dropshipping to Etsy. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this step-by-step tutorial on how to actually do this. So if this video was helpful, then please do let me know in the comments, but let's get started right away. So obviously for this, you need an Etsy shop or store or whatever you want to call it, and an account on CJ Dropshipping. Now I have a direct link in the description that will bring you over to CJ Dropshipping. If you click it via that link, that will also help me out as well. So yeah, what you want to do is once you've created an account, here in the top right corner, you can click on sign up or log in. You want to click on my CJ. Once you've clicked on there, this will pop up and you have to scroll down on the left. Here you can actually see store authorization. And then here you want to scroll a bit down until you see Etsy. Now right here, you want to click on there and it says you haven't authorized any stores yet. So add a store right over here. Click on there. And then it says an application would like to connect to your account. So you want to make sure that this is the correct email that you have from your Etsy store. And then you want to scroll a bit down and you can actually read all of this. This is basically what it will give access, what you will have to give access to CJ Dropshipping. Yeah, if you're fine with that, you can grant access. And there you go. That is basically it. It says authorization success. CJ will help you make dropshipping business much easier. So that is basically it. Now I've connected it to CJ Dropshipping. And if you would like to actually use this, then you can, for example, go to a product and I will show you guys how to actually list a product as well. So let's say I would go to like office and school supplies, something like very random. And now I would like to choose, for example, this mouse over here. Like this is just a random product that I'll show you guys. So on the product page, you have a couple of different options over here at the bottom. Here you have connect and it says click connect if the product already exists in your store to establish a product connection for automatic order fulfillment. So let's say you already had added this product in your store, but you hadn't like automized it that when people buy it from your store, it will automatically be bought from CJ Dropshipping. Then you can actually connect it right here. If you have not yet listed this product at all on your store and you want to do that right away and also connect it immediately, then you want to click on list. But before we actually do that, here you have a couple of shipping methods. So the current one is cost $4.96, like the total one. Delivery time is 8 to 15 days. Now here you can actually check out a couple of different options. So for example, here you have 6 to 11 days. It's a little bit more expensive, but it's, yeah, pretty fast. And you have some others. And then, for example, this one is really fast, but it's like way too expensive. So yeah, so here you want to be on the lookout for. Sometimes this is even faster actually with this shipping method. But yeah, once you've checked that out, you can actually click on list. And then here you want to make sure at the top that you have selected your right store, because I have also connected it to a Shopify store. So you want to make sure that you select the Etsy store. And here you can select ship from. So currently there is no more options, only from the China warehouse, but sometimes there's also a USA warehouse where you can ship it from. Then here you can select the shipping method. So let's say I were to use this one, and you can see the estimated delivery time and the shipping cost as well. And here you can already add tags. Well, you can do that later in your actual store as well. But if you already want to add a couple of tags, then you can do that here as well. Then this is the mouse. So this is the total drop shipping cost. So in dollar and euros. You can also click on recommend listing price and it will like automatically list a price for you. So if you would like this price, then by all means just keep this. But I, for example, like to at least do this, right? You know, to have it like a more like a nicer price. So yeah, if that is basically it, then you can actually list it now. So if you click on there, oh, I actually do have to fill in tags, sorry. So I'll just call it like, so I just added like mouse and office mouse, something like that. And then click on list it now. Then it told me just this, that the product title is too long. So what I can, for example, do is change the title up a bit. For example, to do like this. That should be fine. Then click on confirm. And then it says, please wait, this may take a few minutes. It's currently adding it to Etsy right now. It says listed successfully. This product has been listed to your store successfully. Now we can go back to our Etsy store, refresh, and there you go. This is how it will look like. So now you can still make updates as well. Like you can still change the title. For example, I would like to have this at the end, for example, instead of the beginning. And then here are the pictures. You can add more pictures. You do have to actually add a description as well. I just noticed that. But yeah, that's basically it. So that is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it helped you out. Then I'll see you next time.